Ready, go.
Go.
Oh. What is the rest of the football game? Where'd it go, Tim? It's all your fault.
I ruined it.
I'm not good at this.
She's actually awesome at it.
I know that face. Even from behind. Oh wait, I wasn't done.
Are you videoing this?
You gotta do the girl. Oh, you weren't there. I was gonna say you gotta do the old lady from earlier.